Hey guys, how's it going? How to update Google Play services on Android. So simply what you gotta do if you're using Android, you gotta just go ahead and click on the settings. Okay? In the settings, what you're gonna do, you gotta try to find apps, right? And then you're gonna be able to find the apps that you want to actually update, all right? And then you gotta go ahead to the Google Play services, and then what you're gonna do next, you gotta scroll a little bit down till you find the Google app. So let's have an example. This is the Google Play, right? What you gotta do, you gotta just scroll a little bit down and you're gonna find app details in the store. Go ahead and click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna deactivate it, and then you're gonna reinstall it once again, and now you're gonna be able to update it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you